Name is Raymond Samlin. I'm the superintendent for the Mount Clemens Library renovation project. So this is a total renovation, interior and exterior, with geothermal in the parking lot. This project is roughly $7 to $10 million renovation project. We started about 6 months ago. They had to change some of the HVAC engineering, which is currently at about 80 to 90%. So the call wall system, skylight system, is approximately 60 feet long and 20 feet wide, which will be over the grand stairway opening, which we will cut in the floor probably in the next couple weeks. Yeah, the rafters are being painted blue. Nice color, nice contrast, and it should work well with some of the other interior colors. Yeah, those support columns are needed because the T's are supporting the floor, and so we're going to be cutting a hole about 19 feet wide and 32 feet long for that grand stairway. We're excited about the geothermal system in the parking lot. That's a pretty involved system with 5-foot excavations and about 32 different wells, and those wells extend down to about 432 feet. So it'd be similar to drilling an oil well. We're hoping to get it started here in the next few weeks, but it looks like the contractor's busy till January. We'll get them in here in January and we'll get them rolling on that.